Welcome back, students. Today we will learn about Earth and the solar system through this smart TV. In this TV, it is a picture of galaxy. Sir, what is this galaxy made up of? Galaxies are made up of stars. Millions of stars, which together form a group, is called galaxy. Our sun belongs to Milky Way galaxy.
Sir, this means our Earth belongs to Milky Way galaxy.
Yes, not only our Earth, whole solar system belongs to Milky Way galaxy. Do you know what is solar system?
Yes, sir, you told that Sun and its family are called solar system.
Yes, you are right. Sun is the heart of the solar system as it is between the all planets.
Yes, sir, that's why you told us that Sun is also known as Sol.
Sir, please tell us something more about this, sir.
Although it is just a medium-sized star, it is giant in comparison to the other members of the solar system. Sun is made up of highly compressed hot gases. The sun gives out an enormous amount of heat and light.
Sir, please tell us something about the solar system. Yes, sir, please also show it in the smart TV.
Okay,
Wow, this is the whole picture of the solar system. Sir, also tell us about the solar system.
the Earth and 7 other planets move around the sun. Apart from the planets, celestial bodies like dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and meteorites move around the sun. Some planets and other celestial bodies have moons or satellites moving around them. Moons also move around the sun.
Sir, please explain about Earth.
Okay, Syamu, you explain.
Okay, sir. The Earth is a unique planet and is the fifth largest planet. It is a sphere which is slightly flattened at the poles. From a spacecraft, the land on Earth looks a mixture of green and brown. The oceans, which cover more area than the land, look blue. The Earth is therefore called a blue planet. The Earth is a unique planet of the solar system. It is the only planet on which life exists. This is because the conditions required to support life are found only on Earth. Sir, can you please see us the picture of Earth?
Of course,
Wow, what a great picture it is. Yes, yes.
You are right.
Sir, what are the conditions making it so beautiful and to support life? I know. These conditions are moderate temperature, water in liquid form, and favorable atmosphere.
you are right, Syamu.
But sir, can you explain us in detail about these conditions?
Moderate temperature, the amount of heat a planet receives from the sun depends on its distance from the sun. Neptune is the farthest planet and therefore the coldest. You know that?
No, sir, I don't know.
Please let me speak more.
Okay, sir.
You know that plants and animals need water. The Earth is the only planet on which liquid water is found. On some other planets, water is found only in frozen form. Favorable atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer of gases is called its atmosphere. Animals need oxygen to breathe. This gas is found in the Earth's atmosphere. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food. This gas is also present in our atmosphere. Apart from these, the Earth's atmosphere has a gas called ozone. This protects plants and animals from certain harmful rays of the sun. The combination of the factors mentioned above makes life possible on Earth.
Sir, the bell has rung. This means that it's time to go home.
Of course you can. Let's go home.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, students. Please like
and subscribe our channel.
Learn something new.